Got me doing these 90s flows, you know what? I ain't spit like this for a second, yo. Yeah, let's talk about it. Well, now why they mad on hate? Because you putting food on your plate, getting cash at a better rate.